everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna help you learn how to turn on Ghost Mode on Snapchat. The Ghost Mode in Snapchat is a function which helps you control the visibility to anyone else on the Snap Map. You can easily turn the Ghost Mode on and off or set a timer if you only want to be on the down low for a little while. To be able to do so, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application and sign into your account if necessary. Go to the Snap Map page by swiping all the way right towards the screen. Now in this page, your friends will be able to see you on Snap Map easily. If you want to protect your privacy and don't want anyone else to see you on your Snap Map, then what you can do is simply enable the Ghost Mode. Tap on the settings button in the upper right corner from your map screen, and then at the very first you'll be able to see a Ghost Mode option. Simply enable the button, and after you do so, your friends won't be able to see your location on Snap Map. You can also set a timer for your Ghost Mode by selecting a duration from the option. You can select between 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. After you select your choice, the Ghost Mode will be enabled on your Snap Map. When your Ghost Mode is on, your emoji will look like this on the map. When your Ghost Mode is enabled, your friends won't be able to see you on the Snap Map. That is how you can easily enable the Ghost Mode on Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.